I think that's an excellent question. That's an excellent question. And the question is, which is a better method for calculating depreciation on an asset? Now, if we have to answer this question, we need to understand as to what is the purpose of charging depreciation. Once we understand what is the purpose of charging the depreciation, we would be very easily be able to find out which is the right method for charging depreciation. Remember, the purpose of charging depreciation to P&L is not to put a number on ad hoc basis into the P&L of a company. No, that is not the purpose. Purpose is when you purchase a fixed asset, that fixed asset is not going to be consumed in 1 year. That asset is going to be consumed over a useful life that can be 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 50 years, and things like that. So basically, why do you charge depreciation? You charge depreciation to spread cost of that fixed asset over the useful life. Over the useful life. So if an asset is worth 100 euros and its life is, let's say, 20 years, obviously I will be doing right thing if I charge a depreciation of 5 euros for next 20 years as depreciation. If I am doing it, I am doing the correct accounting. And why I am doing correct accounting? Because I am spreading the cost of this asset over 20 years. If I take any other amount, higher or lower, that will not be the correct accounting, because if I am taking higher amount of depreciation, I am understating my profit, because if I take higher amount of depreciation, my profit of that year will depreciate, and that will be incorrect accounting. If I charge lower depreciation than 5 euros, then I am going to overstate the profit, because if I charge lower depreciation, what is going to happen? My profit will look higher by that amount, and that again is a wrong accounting. So this is the answer to your question. An answer to your question is, the purpose of charging depreciation is to spread the cost of the asset over the useful life of the asset, and therefore whatever that useful life is, divide the cost of the asset by the useful life, and the number that you arrive at should be the amount of depreciation that you must charge to your P&L on account of use of these assets. I hope this answers your doubt, your question.
Sir, one more question related to
Please.
this also. Normally what we do